Good morning, guys. We are staycationing again today. It's only a short one though. We're coming back to Royal Tulip Gunung Geulis, and since it's only a day staycation, I'm only bringing this bag for my clothes. Got my trusty quick seal waterproof jacket with me, and some other spare clothes, chargers that I can use to charge my phone and my drone. I got my drone with me here today. I'm bringing the JJRC X20 Max, two fully charged batteries, controller. Oh, and let me talk about this soon. And I got my, well, this is a mix of GoPro, microphone, and some other stuff, I think. Let me open it. Pretty hard to open with one hand. Yep. GoPro clip, so you can mount it in many places. Two fully charged batteries, GoPro waterproof case, and a Bluetooth microphone. So right now, obviously, I'm not using this microphone, but you'll be able to tell the difference between using a microphone or not from the next part of this video. All right, see you at the trip.
A few moments later.
Here we are again in Royal Tulip. Weren't we just here? Yes, we were, but now we're back again. So we just checked in. Got a connecting room this time. Yeah! We're trying out the deluxe. Deluxe pool view room for this one night staycation. Evan say staycation. Evan say staycation. Oh my! Oh! This is an adult game, Evan. Big boy game. Yeah, Evan nanti call the big ya. Okay?
Bobby is already down. How to go down, Papa? How to go down, Papa?
Dari situ dong. Now let's make our way to our rooms. But maybe not as ramai as last time kali ya. Karena kita dapat tuh connecting room. Wih. Hah? Udah jam 7 ya. So, we are going to eat at Fire Grill tonight. Evan. Wih, Evan angin-anginan nih, say. Oh, it's raining over there. So nice welcome music today. Say, didn't he wear the same shirt last time? Kayaknya he was wearing the same shirt ya last time when he was here. Oh tuh kayak
Who?
Evan.
Oh really?
Kayaknya ya.
I don't remember.
512. 543. Oh, 543 was last time. Oh, here we are again. This is very deja vu-ish. Quick, Evan, 512.
Yang Mountain View lebih tinggi atau lebih?
Lebih mahal dong.
Kenapa nggak Mountain View?
Kan ini traktir.
Oh iya ya.
Saya dong bantuin dong. Kok nggak mau bantuin?
Kamu mau bantuin? Bener banget. Ini bentar sini kartunya. Come on.
My trolley
Evan needs to
here.
take shower and
Ooh, pretty
put
nice.
the card here. Put the card here.
And it is connecting with 516.
Yeay.
Evan masih
Oh nanti bapak harus buka juga ya. Bisa.
Evan masih cukup
Iya copot dulu sepatunya.
di sini.
Iya.
It is going to rain as predicted by the weather forecast. So it's gonna be pretty cool tonight. Wow. Wow, nice view.
Hey.
Hey. Kok ada hey-nya? I never said that. Bummer! So I just got a call from the reception and They're saying I cannot play drone inside the hotel, so I'm just gonna have to do it from the parking lot, just like last time. So this time around, we're staying in a garden view or pool view room. This one has a king bed, the other one has twin beds, obviously. So yep, connecting with my parents' room. Very nice, spacious, clean bathroom, just like last time. Hi, Ben.
Hey, Papa.
And this is the other room.
Yeah, Papa.
Andi Lau. Same view, and this one has twin beds, which we put together to form a huge king size bed. Eben is very excited today. So excited today.
Evan.
And they have a pretty nice touch here. They put a hidden cupboard over here so it doesn't disturb the space of your room, and it looks so sleek. And a good area to put your luggages. And a mini bar over here, very hidden as well. Almost missed this one. Oh, those two orange juice are complimentary, by the way. Very good. Here we are enjoying ourselves in Royal Tulip. It is raining pretty heavily outside, so we're just cozying up inside our rooms. Right now, I'm going to cook Indomie. Traditional handmade Indonesian dish. It's handmade, right, Sai? Is Indomie handmade? No? Are you serious? I thought it's handmade. No? Oh well. So we're gonna cook it inside the bathroom. Setting up the equipments here. There you go, one of them is waiting. We're gonna cook here. So this is where we're gonna set up the cooking station and cook this noodle right here. So I'm gonna set it up in 3, 2, 1, Avada Kedavra. Alright, we're ready to go now. Oh, can I do this with one hand? Better put it down first. Too lazy to set up my tripod. Nice. So noodle is cooking right now. walking towards Fire Bar and Grill for our dinner. I don't know if we can advance our reservation by 1 hour, but we're gonna try. Because Evan didn't take a nap, so he's probably pretty sleepy right now. It is still raining pretty heavily. Perfect weather for a hot drink and a late night TV show. Okay, wonder where we can access it from. Hello! We are at Fire Bar and Grill by ourselves. Our parents have ditched us for tonight's dinner. It's okay. You can still enjoy the steak. Oh, look, it's raining pretty heavily right now. So this pool is gonna be pretty clear tomorrow. Oh, we're just done with our starters. Are you full?
Yes, we are full with the appetizer.
Just waiting for our mains. What are you having tonight, ma'am? Tenderloin. Ooh, that sounds good.
Even and Mama will share.
I am having the lamb chop tonight. Heard from Winnie it's pretty good. Whoa, our food is here. Aduh, nggak kelihatan. Oh, Evan langsung ambil. Bon
Be
appetit.
careful, hot ya. Be careful, bon appetit.
Bon appetit, guys. It is extremely windy tonight. The rain has stopped, but it's still pretty windy. Oh, that's a nice shimmering effect over here. So they'll conclude the first night here. Well, we're only here for one night. So we'll continue tomorrow morning at the drone site, shall we? See ya.